English listening practice, discussing long-term solutions and team collaboration. Welcome to this English listening practice video for IT and project management professionals. In today's lesson, we will listen to a realistic workplace discussion about long-term solutions to project challenges. The conversation focuses on cross-team collaboration, process automation, regular feedback sessions, and the pros and cons of creating a safe space for team communication. This type of discussion is common in project review meetings, retrospectives, and management planning sessions. Listen carefully and try to understand how ideas, benefits, challenges, and recommendations are explained in professional English. We have discussed the current issues and short-term fixes. Now, I would like to focus on the long-term solution. In your opinion, what would be the best long-term approach to prevent similar problems in the future? In my opinion, the better long-term solution is to focus on three key areas: cross-team collaboration, process automation, and regular feedback sessions. These elements can help us improve efficiency, communication, and overall project stability. That sounds reasonable. Can you explain why you recommend cross-team collaboration as part of the solution? Yes, of course. I strongly recommend cross-team collaboration because our work is highly interconnected. Development, QA, support, and integration teams depend on each other. If teams work in isolation, misunderstandings and delays are more likely to happen. When teams collaborate well, they can share knowledge, solve problems faster, and support each other more effectively. That makes sense. Collaboration is important, but it can also come with challenges. What do you see as the pros and cons of this idea? I see clear benefits, possible challenges, and sometimes mixed outcomes. The main benefits are improved communication, better alignment between teams, and faster problem resolution. Team members can understand the bigger picture and work toward common goals. Collaboration also helps teams learn from each other and grow together. And what about the challenges or disadvantages? One challenge is coordination. Cross-team collaboration requires time for meetings, discussions, and alignment. If not managed well, it can slow down decision-making. Another challenge is that different teams may have different priorities or working styles, which can cause friction or misunderstandings. Good point. You also mentioned creating a safe space for communication. Can you explain what you mean by that? To improve team collaboration, we need to create a safe space where everyone feels comfortable speaking up and sharing their ideas. This means team members should feel respected and confident that their opinions will be heard, even if they disagree with others. That sounds ideal, but do you see any risks with this approach? Yes, there are both pros and cons. The pros of creating a safe space are that team members are more willing to communicate openly, help each other, and contribute ideas. This can lead to better solutions and stronger teamwork. People feel more engaged and motivated when they know their voice matters. And the cons? The cons are that we don't always know how comfortable everyone truly feels. Some people may still hesitate to speak up, even in a supportive environment. In some cases, efforts to keep discussions safe and polite might limit honest debate or critical feedback. This could reduce the quality of decision-making if not handled carefully. That's a very balanced perspective. How can we reduce these risks while still encouraging open communication? We can reduce risks by setting clear communication guidelines and encouraging respectful feedback. Managers and team leaders should actively invite opinions and show appreciation for different viewpoints. Regular feedback sessions can also help us understand how team members feel and adjust our approach when needed. You also mentioned process automation earlier. How does that support long-term improvement? Process automation helps reduce manual work and human error. By automating repetitive tasks, teams can focus more on critical thinking and problem solving. Automation also improves consistency and speeds up workflows, which supports better collaboration and project delivery. Overall, which solution do you personally recommend the most? I recommend cross-team collaboration as the most important long-term solution. I believe working as a team is essential. When teams collaborate well, they can support each other, solve problems more efficiently, and grow together. Collaboration creates a strong foundation that makes other improvements, like automation and feedback sessions, more effective. Thank you for sharing your thoughts. This discussion gives us a clearer direction for improving our processes and teamwork in the long run. Great job listening to this professional project management discussion. In this video, we explored long-term solutions such as cross-team collaboration, process automation, and regular feedback sessions. We also examined the pros and cons of creating a safe space for communication and why collaboration is essential for team growth and project success. These conversations are common in retrospectives, planning meetings, and leadership discussions in IT environments. If you found this lesson helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and watch the next episode for more English listening practice focused on project management and workplace communication.